How to make your Shopify store live. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the password on your Shopify store and make it live, and some other amazing Shopify tips and tricks. So let's jump right in. Now, whenever you're building your store on Shopify, by default, if you go into your online store on the left, you will see your current theme that is being used in your Shopify store, as well as a password. Now, if you want to make your Shopify store live, you can click on Remove Password, or if you want to change the password, you can click on Manage Password. Now, before you actually make your store live, there are a couple of things you need to set up. To do this, click on Settings on the left, and once you click on Settings, you're going to go in your General Settings, and then click on this pencil icon. Then you're going to enter your store name, and then your store phone number. Then click on Save. Once you do that, you're going to have your currency display, as well as your order IDs and order processing. So if you want to automatically fulfill orders as they are placed, or if you want it to be non-automatic, then once you've set up the basics, you're going to proceed on to your checkout on the left. Now, before you can actually receive orders on your store, even if your store is live, you need to go into Payments on the left, right above Checkout, and then click on Choose a Provider. Here you have several different payment processing providers, which can help you in receiving different types of payment. You can choose the one that fits you the best, and you can also set up a manual payment option. To do that, you can scroll down, click on Manual Payment. You can create your custom payment methods like wire transfers in your country, or you can even allow bank deposits, money orders, or cash on delivery. And I'm just going to activate cash on delivery as our payment system so that customers can place orders. After that, you can also choose gift card expirations. Now, it's time to set up the final thing before we can make our store live, and that is shipping. So you're going to click on Shipping and Delivery, and you have to set up shipping for different regions where you are delivering products. Whether you only have domestic deliveries or if you have international deliveries, you're going to have to set up shipping rates as well as shipping markets. To do this, you can go into Shipping and Delivery and then click on General Shipping Rates. Once you do that, you will see all of your products as well as your fulfillment locations and your standard rate. You can click on Go to Markets at the bottom to add more shipping markets or more zones that you are shipping your products to. I have one active market, but if I want, I can proceed with adding another market. And let's say that I am also shipping my products to Canada, and I'm just going to search for Canada over here and select it, and then click on Add Market. Once I click on Add Market, this new market is going to be added in my international markets. Now I can set up individual taxes and payments that I'm accepting, as well as shipping rates that are applicable to that particular zone. Once all of this has been done, we're going to close and then go back into our Shopify dashboard. Now you're going to click on Online Store, and then once you click on Online Store, click on Remove Password. Now our store is live and we will see all of our store stats, including sessions, loading speeds, interactivity, and visual stability. And you can click on the preview icon or the view icon to view your online store. And this is what our store looks like. You guys can see that it's a pretty nice store. However, if you want to improve the appearance of your store, you can also temporarily re-enable passwords on your store. This allows you to have some more time to customize, or if you're having a new product drop, you can add a password for a little while. You can click on Preferences on the bottom of the Online Store tab. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see Password Protection. You can check this option to re-enable a private store. Once you do that, your store will become private once more, and once it becomes private, you can proceed with your editing. You can even proceed with editing a live store. Shopify has no restrictions on that. However, if a user is on your store while you edit it, it might make their experience less appealing. So I'm going to go into my online store or my live store and click on Online Store over here. Then I'm just going to click on Customize. And once I click on Customize, I can proceed with editing my store. So in this, I have a image banner and I have some featured products. However, to elevate the appearance of my store, I'm going to click on my header, and you guys can see I have a color scheme picked out. Now I have a transparent header, which I've altered by using some liquid code, but I want to place my navigation menu in the center. So for this, I can go into menu and we can click on replace and replace with a different menu, as well as choose the type. I can make it a mega drawer as well, or a drawer menu as well. A drawer menu is going to be held on the left, and when we click on it, the drawer menu pops up. Now I'm going to change the color scheme to the black one simply because I want the drawer menu to be in a black color or a white color depending on what looks better. Now once I've chosen this, I think this looks pretty decent, so I'm just going to click on save. Once I've done that, I can proceed with adding another section of maybe my new product and information about my new products. I'm going to click on add section to template, and different sections will appear on the left. Once they do, I can choose the type of section I want. Usually adding more images makes a store more visually appealing. So I'm just going to click on add section, no, not in the header, but in the sections tab here. So in our template, we are going to add a multi-row or multi-column, or a image banner. I personally think a image banner would look nice, or a image slideshow. So I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to add a slideshow over here. Once I add my slideshow, I can proceed with selecting the images I want to use. For that, just click on your slideshow, and then on the left, you will have your images. Click on select, and you can select your store images. So I want to use a couple of these images from my store, and I'm just going to select one image. Then after that, we're going to move towards our second slide and then add the next image. I'm going to click on image slide over here, and once I do, I'm going to click on select and then choose the next image. Like so, I have 2 images selected, and once you select your images, you can edit the header on top. If you want to remove it, you can remove all the text from the left, and the header will be removed by default, like this. And instead of having a slideshow where you have text on top of your images, you will have a complete slideshow of your images. Now, once you've completed your edits, on the top right, you're going to see your desktop icon, then a mobile icon, and then a full screen icon. This allows you to see what your website or what your Shopify store is going to look like on different devices. So preview it to ensure that it looks good on all sorts of devices, and then you can click on save on the top right. And that is how you can get started with editing your Shopify store and making it live. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.